Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie and I'd like to welcome you to this overview collection for Love Story, the Fab Box collection. So what you see today on this video is what is available to you in the Fab Box. Now previously I've had to say go to the website, blah 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 blah, but just go to my blog, follow the link and that's how you can get your collection. The Love Story collection is so beautiful. The imagery and versatility is just second to none. I love hearing from you, so let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the announcement of that now you can get hold of your Fab Boxes in the collections. Not only that, the collections that are available are the up-to-date ones. We're not talking old stock, we're talking brand new collections. And shipping's included, so it doesn't matter where you live, whether you're in New York, New Hampshire, New Biggin, it just doesn't matter, door to door. So let's have a look at what's included in the collection. So this is Love Story collection. This is exactly what you're going to get in your FabScraps Fab Box, delivered door to door. How cool is that? I know I keep saying it, but it really is. In this day and age, to have something including shipping worldwide, including all this gorgeousness, is just absolutely awesome. So I'm going to run through everything that you're going to get in your collection. So the first thing is the first sheet of stickers, 6 gorgeous hearts on a transparent background, and gorgeous for your card making, scrapbooking. Use them as an envelope seal to match everything together if you're making a wedding card, something like that. Second, we have another sheet of stickers, and this is the one with the sentiments on and the imaging that's going to match perfectly to the papers. So we've got things like wishing you were here, love is an art which comes from the heart, our love story, be mine, and love. Just so pretty. We've got 2 stencils included. Now for all you mixed media fans, these are going to stand up to your textured paste and things that you might want to use, or your inking, things like that. And 2 gorgeous stencils with heart swirls and hearts on one. It's easy for me to show you like that. And then the second one is Be Mine Love with lots more hearts and arrows. So those are the 2 stencil sheets that's included in your Fab Box. Also, the beadboard sentiments. Now this is a favourite. I'm just going to use that to back it so that you can see the different sentiments on it. So we've got Always and Forever, You and Me, we've got the gorgeous cherubs and the hearts, Our Love Story, You Will Forever Be My Always. How gorgeous is that? You can just imagine it on a wedding card. Now these can be inked, you can use heat embossing powder with them, you'll be able to texturise them with your texture paste and then add texture over the top. They snip away easily, great for card making, scrapbooking, any of your paper crafts. Now each collection includes an album for you to make, and I know that it's crazy the value that you're getting. Each album has a cover, so the cover for this one says Our Love Story. Every album in every collection is different, so you won't get the same album in the Love Story collection as you get in the Days Gone By. So that's your album cover, and then you get 4 hardback pages. So you've actually got 8 because you can use front and back. Now FabScraps have actually thought of everything because they've even included the rings for you to be able to put your album together. So don't worry about that, it's taken care of. All you have to do is decorate it. Next, these are the extra papers and the embellishments. Again, you're getting everything you see, that's what you're getting. So we've got the extra embellishments of the tags. They're all double-sided in different shapes. Look how beautiful those swallowtail tags are. All double-sided, sentiments on one side and gorgeous design on the other. They will tone in with all of the papers. And as far as I can remember, just checking my details, is the 16, 15 or 16 of the tags. Again, this is what you're getting. And then these are the papers. So these are the extra 8x8 papers. And there's 3 designs. 3 really, really gorgeous designs. Not only that, they're double-sided. All will tone in with everything else in the collection. So they're so pretty. And these are the large papers. These are the 12x12 papers that just make this collection so unique. Each of the papers is double-sided. So in theory, I know you're only getting 16 papers, but you're actually getting 32 because you've got both sides. There's 8 designs and there's 2 of each. So the first paper is called Only You, and 2 sheets, double-sided. So we've got side 1 and side 2. Second sheet is called Sealed with Kisses. Beautiful design. And that's the reverse of it. So pretty. The third sheet is called Sweetest Hearts. And that's the reverse of it. You're getting all of these. Fourth sheet is called The Heart of Mine. And that's the reverse side. Now the next sheet is the one with the sentiments on that you can cut out and use for your card making or add to your scrapbooking, and the borders. And that's the reverse of it. I love that stripe. I really do. The next sheet, again, more embellishments, sentiments and borders, card making, paper crafting, paper folding, scrapbooking, and that's the reverse. So they're just so beautiful. The next sheet, I love this. Believe it or not, this is actually the first time I've seen some of these sheets. That is so gorgeous. That's the reverse of it. And that says, I loved you yesterday, I love you still. I always have and I always will. Oh, wow. Love is an act which comes from the heart. Oh, those are so beautiful. And then we have the alphabet on one side of our sheet. Or we have the paper design on the reverse. So those are our 12x12 papers. 16, 8 of each design, and so beautiful. So you get all of this in your Fab Box. I think that is just fabtastic, and it is just the most gorgeous collection. And this is only the first of 2 new collections that we're looking at today. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing what is now available to you. And I've only just parcelled that up again because I want you to see that's what you get to your door. How cool is that? Next week we're going to be creating a project using the Love Story collection. So please stay tuned, because every Wednesday now we're going to have, or I will endeavour, to create something every Wednesday for you from these collections. and it's going to be my pleasure to work with them. It really is. So check my blog for the links if you want to order your collection. If you're just tuning in to be nosy and see what there is available, that's great. Hello to you. If you're tuning in because you want yours, that's great as well. Check the blog. Let me know what you think. Do you like the collection? Is it not quite your cup of tea? Or is it perfect for what you're planning? Are you getting married? Or do you need to make an album? How cool would it be if you're thinking of getting married? If you get the collection, I must say this before I forget, if you get the collection, you make something, please send me photos because I'd love to see. So I'd just like to say thank you so much for watching. Please tune in to the next overview to look at Days Gone By from FabScraps as well. So thanks for watching and I shall see you soon.